Simple solutions to life.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medlock and I'm saying a big welcome to you. Okay, in case you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and always remember to give me thumbs up and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes. So guys, I just want to appreciate you that is always watching my video. You're always coming back to check us out. Thank you. God bless you. I really appreciate you all. Yes. Are you broke? In our today's video, we want to talk about how to destroy the spirit of poverty. I think that's the right word to use. How to spiritually destroy the spirit of poverty using these two items that I want to show you today. Yes, in this particular recipe you will be needing fresh garlic, fresh ginger. Okay, fresh ginger, and then fenugreek seed powder. Fenugreek. This is fenugreek powder. Yes. We've talked about fenugreek before, but it's like some of us we have forgotten, or some did not see the video. Yes, you didn't see the video when we uploaded it, and it's gone, it's past, so you may not be able to scroll back to it. But today I want to show you how to use fresh ginger. But guys, if you don't have fresh ginger, don't worry, okay? Because I know some people, they will say, Medlock, I don't have fresh ginger, what do I do? But I have the dried one, or I have the powdered one. Yes, you can use your powdered ginger. Make sure it's the original one, and you can use your dried ginger. All you need to do is to get the best out of it. Yes, it works perfectly. Okay, so now this fenugreek that you're seeing, if you count, like now, if you are able to get the seed, fenugreek seed, fenugreek attracts wealth, just like the way cinnamon powder does. But a lot of people are not talking about this. Fenugreek is very, very good spiritually. Yes, it helps you to grow your wealth. Yes, it is one thing for you to attract money. It is one thing for you to be making money, to be seeing money and be holding money. But it is another thing for you to maintain this money, or maintain the source of that money, or actually use the money and see the results of the money. Some people, you can give them $1 million and you come back in 3 months' time and they will be telling you ngbati. They will not be able to explain what happened to that money. No matter how big the money is, that is when their lalata will multiply. That is when this spirit of squandering, spirit of waste, spirit of devourer will add weight and become so big in their life until that money is finished. And the moment the money is finished, they'll go back to square one. Then they'll come back to their senses. Some people are like that. And some, the heaven over their head is closed, is brass. Money is keeping malice with them. If you find yourself in this kind of situation whereby before money enters your hand, money will make sure that you spend the last kobo in your hand before another one will come. Or you'll be broke and start borrowing before another one will come. If you find yourself, if you see yourself in that kind of category, this video is for you. Okay, so guys, it is not difficult. It is something very, very simple, very easy that all of us can do. You can just try this. Okay, so now this is here before us. We have ginger, fresh ginger. Yes, and then this one is fenugreek powder. So how do you use this fenugreek powder? This fenugreek powder, you can use it in different ways. You can bathe with it, but if you have a business, let's say you have a shop or a company or an office where you earn your living, that is your business. That is where money comes. Money that put food on your table comes from. So I will encourage us to do this. Just get like this one now and the ginger to make it to give it a skeleton to work on. If you want to use it for your business environment, that is, if you want to keep it, there are two ways you can use it for your business environment to see positive results. Devourer cannot waste money from you. Is you put small quantity of rice inside a small container, okay, and then take like a tablespoon of this, pour it inside that rice, then carry your ginger like this, as it is like this, put it inside and keep it in your drawer, your business drawer. You can keep it somewhere. You can keep it anywhere that you feel you can keep it for your business. It works. Yes. See, there are a lot of wicked people around. They come to your shop, they use money to buy something from you, and once you just add that money to your where you are keeping your money from, where you are keeping your money, all the money that you have, even the ones that are supposed to come for that month to follow the person in the spirit realm. And once it follows that person like that, you will start experiencing losses. Why? Because they have robbed you spiritually. If you use this, they will not be able to rob you. Yes. Now, another one you can also use in your business area to prevent leaking spiritual basket, to prevent leaking pocket or losses, is to sprinkle this like this ginger. Now you just get, if you want to use this fresh one, you can use it. And you want to use the powder, and just take some of this quantity of this, then slice the ginger inside, slice it mix it together. You understand? You can get enough ginger, you can get enough, you can get enough so that you can slice it plenty to be much. Then you mix it together with the fenugreek powder. Then you can put it, sprinkle it somewhere, maybe at the entrance of your business, like the entrance door, by the sides like this. Because if you sprinkle it on the floor in the front, it will make it look unkempt. And you can decide to just put it inside a fancy, get something very, very beautiful, fancy bowls, make them uniform, like 2. You put some here, you put some in that one, just keep it to look like decoration. If you like, get some crystals, get some flowers, get some things and place on top of it, keep it there. Then from time to time you change it. From time to time you change this one. If they bring their evil money to your business, their money will be stocked. Yes. I remember when I was applying to go to the university, I wrote JAMB. It's an entrance examination to the university or to college. If you're watching me from outside Nigeria, when Nigeria here, we call it college. So one of my brother was running a business, so I used to go and sit there because I was waiting for admission. So there's this evil man that used to come there to come and change money every evening. He will come and will change money for him. When my brother comes home, you'll be counting the money, you will not be able to reconcile the account. So I was a young girl. I told him that, do you do change for somebody? Do you used to give somebody change? He said, no, don't used to give anybody change. It's normal customers, everybody just come to collect change. I said, no, this person that used to come and collect change from you does not buy anything. Then I was still sitting at home. I don't used to go to the shop. It's because of this incident that made me to go to the shop. So I said, see, there's a man that used to come and collect change from you people. Don't used to buy anything. And I say, yeah, it's one Yoruba man. He said he's a medical doctor. He has a clinic. Every evening, you come and collect change. I say, that's what I'm telling you. He said, how do you know? How do you know? I said, okay, don't worry, I'll show you. Because I don't even know how to explain to him that this is what I'm saying, but I will just say it. Yes, I'll just say it. I'll just look at somebody and say, I'll tell my mom that this person is going to die very soon. My mother said, keep quiet. You will go and enter trouble. This is your mouth now. So I went there. In the evening, the man came and he stretched out. The moment he just arrived, I knew he was the one. I quickly ran to the front. Instead of allowing the shop girl, there's a girl that was working for my brother. I didn't allow the girl to collect the money. I went and collected the money. I used my Holy Ghost hand to collect the money from him. He needed change. I collected the money. The moment I just touched the money, that is the end of it. Yes. So the man just, he said, okay, please be arranging it. Let me go and come. He was so uneasy. I said, we'll see today. The man went somewhere. He said he want to go and buy something and come back. He came back and said, please, sorry, my sister, that money I gave you people, don't change it again. Just give me the money. Don't change it again. I said, sorry, I've already mixed it into the money. Boys were counting the money. I said, the money is except to give you just money. He said, no, that particular one. I said, see, if you don't live here now, we'll call police for you. You gave us 1,000 naira. It is 1,000 naira we'll give you. You are going to talk, oh, start talking. Immediately, he just shifted back and say, sorry, please don't be angry. Okay, just give me any money. Let me just go. That was how I took money. He said, no, let the other sister get. I said, no, she's a worker here. Me, I'm a family member. My brother is not here. I am the one in charge. Take your money. That was how I collected. That was the end. He never came back again. So there are people like that. There are a lot of people like that want to come and collect your wealth. Well, especially if you are doing business, you have a shop you're running. So when we started this YouTube channel newly, I uploaded a video. I was showing you how to prevent that kind of problem. Maybe I will still come up with that video again. Even you, normal person, you're not even doing business. At times, somebody will give you money in your pocket. The moment you just put that money in your pocket, in your handbag, you go broke. There are people like that. So, I will teach us again. If you're interested, you can just suggest in the comment section. If you want that video again, we'll come up with a more new edition of that video, because I cannot direct you to go and find that video again. Yes, so I can come up with it, how to prevent the enemy, from stealing money from you spiritually. If you're interested in that video, just leave your comment in the comment section. Then I will look at the number of people that are interested, then I'll come up with the video again. Yes, so guys, use this, okay, and you will thank me later. Yes, so please, if you are still here, I really appreciate you. You see me down to this point, I really appreciate you. Thank you and God bless. I'll see you again in our next video. Thank you. Bye.